Let's learn how to create the Luma Fade transition in Premiere Pro. First, place your two video clips back to back on the timeline. For the best effect, make sure they're visually similar or part of the same scene. Next, move your playhead to the point where the two clips meet. Then hold Shift and press the left arrow key 4 times to move 20 frames backward. Now drag your second clip so it starts right at that playhead position. Go to the Effects panel and search for Gradient Wipe under the Video Transitions folder. Drag and drop it onto the top clip, the second one. With the top clip selected, go to the Effect Controls panel. Click the stopwatch icon next to Transition Completion to start keyframing, and set the value to 100% at the beginning of the clip. Now move the playhead to the end of the top clip and set Transition Completion to 0%. Also, increase the softness to 50%, and make sure to check the invert box for that clean fade effect. That's it. Let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like next.